You're spelling your name.
Spell your name?
Oh.
Good job.
My name is Sarah.
Oh, good. Okay, go for a drive. You cook and put it in the oven. I love those boxes. Pizza, you making pizza? Thank you. A slice of pizza for me.
What else we got?
Grandpa's still hungry.
Yeah, one
Give
more
him-
time.
Give him a pepper. I'm sure he would not like that.
Oh, what am I gonna do with a pepper?
Take a bite. You gotta try it.
I'm go- oh, hot.
So you can have some coffee.
Here,
A
you
cup.
hold the cup. I'll pour you some coffee. You can have some coffee. There you go. There you go. Okay, careful, it's hot. Glug.
Now pour Grandpa some coffee there.
Okay, here's my turn. Grab the thing. Pour me some coffee. Oh, good job.
Blinky needs a taste.
Oh, thank you.
This is such a cute idea. Eric, are you in there? Hello. Who else remembers these things? Check out how much does that cost, Linky? Is it expensive?
Yeah.
See how much the other one is.
Basket full of food. Yeah, and the other one's not open.
It's totally weird filming the bathroom. But like, they got a mom's chair. And even a little chair area for your toddler to sit in. Like, I think that's really smart on IKEA's part. Thank you, IKEA, for having like a nice setup for a mom. Mush. Did anyone else know that IKEA had Lego? Like, I feel like I just didn't know. I mean, and they really like hot dogs.